guys, so I'm lazy again and I'm filming this intro on my vlog camera, but it's just gonna be super quick. I'm doing a room tour for you guys today of this lovely thing that you guys always see in the back of my videos. I really have been wanting to do one, so here you go. I hope you guys liked today's video. If so, you know the drill. Give it a great big thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys are new here. Post notifications. I never say that, but if you guys want to, you know, turn those on, and let's just go ahead and hop right into the video. Hello guys, welcome to my room tour. So first I'm gonna start with my closet and make my way over there to my clothing rack and my dresser. So starting off with my closet, I have all of these backpacks on the outside, and then all of my closet is color coordinated in my shoes, or some of my shoes are at the top and at the bottom, but yeah, that's pretty much my closet. Now moving over to my clothing rack, which I kind of just put like some of my favorite staples out on this. I also have this cute little like wooden basket thingy with more shoes on it. The mirror is from TJ Maxx, the saying is from Amazon, and then I have a whole gallery kind of collage, what is this called? A frame full of my favorite memories with my favorite people. And then I have my cute little gallery wall of quotes on my dresser, and then I just have cute little knickknacks on top. And in my dresser, of course, I just keep more clothes and knickknacks and stuff like that. I am not some furniture that... Now we're gonna do my bed, which is unmade. It's like 5 days later, but we're gonna do my bed because a lot of Netflix watching goes on over here. So it's time that I peace out. Now if you excuse me, can you let me? So over here on my bed, the two white back pillows are from Burlington and all of the front pillows are from Target. And then I have these cute little lights with more pictures of me and my friends and my family on them. Those are from Amazon, and here are my curtains, just a little fancy montage of my curtains. Now moving over to my nightstand and my desk to finish off the room tour, and also that thing, my vanity. What? Yeah. So now for the nightstand, I just keep knickknacks on my nightstand, usually snacks, but the lamp's from Burlington and the cute little vase is from TJ Maxx. This mirror thing, I don't know where it's from. Mom got it for me. I don't know. Mom, if you're watching this, comment down below where you got it, but yeah. You're a journey short. Now for my desk, I literally only use this when I want to be productive, which lately has been pretty often. This little thing that I keep all my pens and pencils in is from Home Goods, that I have my MacBook and my speaker and everything like that. On my curtains, I have these little string lights with pictures of Mia and Riley, and also me. Next to my desk, I have this cute little TJ Maxx organizer, and I keep all of my outfits for the week up above that. And then when you swoosh on over, I have my vanity. You know, I keep all my makeup in the drawer, all my hair stuff, everything like that. I think I'm in too deep. When you heard me calling for you, already giving up on someone that you love, someone that you love, someone that you love. Like you don't know me cause you got too much going on. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this room tour. If you guys want more videos similar to this, like room related videos, I don't know, comment down below video requests, whatever you want to do. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in a couple of days. Bye guys.